Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the GeekBench Mark 5 test scores comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare these both phones. The main reason is because both phones, they do have the Snapdragon 870 chipset, and let's see which phone has got what type of results in terms of the benchmark wise. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first I'm gonna not use any kind of GT mode. So without using any kind of GT mode and with using GT mode, I'm going to do in two different methods. Then we'll be able to understand about the results as well. In this way we'll be able to conclude what is going on. Same thing applies for this iQOO 7 as well. I'll try to turn on the ultra game mode and I'll try to disable and without using and with using. So in this way we'll be able to find out what is happening with the GeekBench Mark 5 application. Let me try to open the GeekBench Mark 5 application. So it's the GeekBench Mark 5 application which is open at this moment. All the apps are completely cleared from the background RAM management. Nothing is running at this moment. Let's start the test. And both phones should be able to start the test, I think, at the same time. I did click it run, but it's taking some time. The iQOO 7 did start the test, and Realme GT has encountered some kind of problem. I'm not sure why, but so I'm gonna try again. So right now the test is going on between these both phones. Let's see friends how much single core and how much multi-core difference can it be there between these two devices without using any kind of GT mode and no ultra game mode. Nothing is used. Next time using GT mode, using ultra game mode. So two different. We should understand what is happening with the GT mode. Can it impact any single core results and multi-core results or not? That's what my main idea of comparing two different testings. So at the end, I am trying to find out exactly which phone is really optimized and powerful for the Snapdragon 870. That's what my main idea of doing this many testings and comparisons with the iQOO 7 device. So right now the results are about to finish between these both phones, and we're going to see the results exactly single core and the multi-core. And this iQOO 7, I did not install many applications in this device, and this is also new phone as well, Realme GT Neo 2. So both phones are completely kind of brand new phones only. This will give the clear idea what is going on with the single core and the multi-core results. That's very good to see this kind of highest scores in the iQOO 7 device. Wow, that's very high score friends. When you compare the multi-core, that's a huge difference. I'm not sure why it's kind of huge difference. Single core, there's not much difference, but multi-core, look at the difference. Oh my god. Both phones are the same 8GB RAM variants only and Snapdragon 870 chipset, but still the different results we are getting exactly. Clearly see what is happening, and I'll try to take the screenshot. And next time I'll try to enable the GT mode. Okay, so let me go to the GT mode, and yes, GT mode is enabled. Since there is no other GT mode present or any kind of monster mode present in the iQOO 7 device, the only way I can actually improve is using the ultra game mode, for which I need to add this ultra game mode in GeekBench Mark. I need to add in the ultra game mode as well. As you can see, only in this way I will be able to get the maximum out of this phone. That's what I'm expecting, but let's see what happens right now using the GT mode and the ultra game mode 1, 2 and 3. So now the both phones are started. I think I'm trying to use the GT mode. You can see ultra game mode is enabled in this device, absolutely, and even the GT mode is also enabled. You can see the small indication on the top of notification panel. So let's see what happens next, whether the GT mode can actually increase any kind of GeekBench Mark score results or not, because it's very huge difference. I cannot see why there's a huge difference, but I just thought of doing in one single video which you can actually understand better. And both phones right now, they're about to finish the GeekBench Mark 5 results, and this is going to be really interesting to see how much difference can the Realme GT Neo 2 can actually improve any kind of scores or not. And iQOO 7 results, let's see how much score we can actually expect in the iQOO 7 device. Right now it's 100%, it's kind of close to finish, and we'll be able to see the results as well. Both phones are uploading the results. Maybe there might be some kind of slow internet connection. That might be another reason why it's taking some time. So it's uploading. And finally we got the results, and it's quite shocking to see this kind of GeekBench Mark very low score when compared with the iQOO 7 device. Even using GT mode also didn't improve any kind of multi-core performance, nothing at all. So I'm not sure, maybe if you try to use a game space and all those things, only then the GeekBench Mark score will increase. I think that's another thing you should definitely understand. But overall, in this kind of single core and the multi-core using GT mode and ultra game mode, these are the results which we got, and the final winner is the iQOO 7 device in terms of the GeekBench Mark 5 scores, which you can clearly see how much highest we got. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.